Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 10.1 inch Smart Digital Calendar. This is a touchscreen. It is also a digital chore chart. Alright, so right here we have our digital calendar chore chart. This one here is assembly with syncs of Apple, Cozi, Google, Yahoo, and Outlook. So you can get your all-in-one organization, calendar syncing, sleep mode, routine, chore chart, meal planning, free app access, and you've got a custom color list, family gathering. So this is a digital frame. It is a 10.1 inch touchscreen auto sync calendar. It does give you the weather forecast, customization, color, and others. So you can do this landscape or portrait mode. It does have the option if you like to do that. This also comes with an iCloud access. You can update your calendar on the go from your iPhone or any other devices you have. It does have a sleep mode. You'll never miss a wake up signal. So right here in the box is the actual device itself. I'm going to put that to the side to get into this box, which actually has the stand and the power cord. The power cord is in with the stand, so it sits on your desk perfectly. This is just a regular plug, and then here is the stand that goes on the back. And then this is an interactive chore chart. You can add track on Click Compete, Next Generation, Smart Future. So you can see that this is a really thin, lightweight calendar. Right here at the back, you'll put in your power cord as well as the stand. This one only has a desktop stand. It does not have the option to put it on a wall. Right here on the side, you've got your volume up and down. You have your power button. And then on the other side, you do have your speakers. So right over here is the speakers. So let's get in the box, get the power cord and the little stand. We can put that up right here in the back. So you can see that it is super thin. It is nice and lightweight. This is the stand. The power cord goes right up in the stand right here. You don't have to worry about it bending or chafing. So right here is the plug. We're just going to take the plug and we're going to plug it in and turn it on. And then we're going to set it up so you can see how really nice this calendar chore chart meal planner. So this does give you a special events to keep. You can keep your family eating healthy. You can use this for more than just a calendar. You can also use this as a digital photo frame. So you can add photos up here. I think this one does come with a internal storage of up to 32 gigabytes. So you should get enough, especially for like backgrounds or whatever. So right here you can set your time zone, your calendar. You can get the code, but you'll have to get the code from the app. I have to cover mine. And then right here you have your calendar, tasks, and then you'll have your recents, meals, photos, lists. You also have your settings and your sleep, so you can set that all up on here. And then if you want to add your pictures, you go into the settings, and then from the app actually on your phone you can transfer, which is super easy. You just go on your phone and just transfer the pictures over to this. Just make sure that it is synced to your app on your phone, and then it's super easy. And right here is your regular settings, your brightness. This is a really nice chore chart calendar. If you're looking for something that's super easy and sleek, you can keep it updated with your phone. I would highly recommend checking this one out. This little button here at the bottom determines whether it's going to be brighter or lower. So this is your sensor for the brightness effect. So if you're looking for a nice digital calendar, chore chart, and meal planner and sleep, I would highly recommend checking this one out.